Okay, so if you've been online lately, you've probably seen ads for the Cash Stream app, right?
Oh, yeah. The whole play games, get paid real cash thing. It's definitely catchy.
Super tempting. It falls right into that play to earn category that always makes you wonder. We found a really detailed review that put it to the test.
Hmm.
The basic promise is, just engage with the app, play some mini games, do simple tasks.
They absolutely do. The whole system is like optimized to keep you watching and tapping. It's gamified really well.
That dopamine hit. Right.
Totally. You see the numbers climb and you think, okay, that withdrawal is just around the corner.
Mm.
But, well, that's kind of where the illusion starts to crumble, isn't it? When you actually try to get the money out.
Right. That seems to be the core complaint we saw in the review. Earning the points. Seems easy enough.
Yeah.
But getting dollars into your account, that's where most users hit a wall. Big problems with withdrawals.
And it's interesting how it breaks down. The review source pointed out something specific.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
It seems like tiny, almost insignificant payouts, like maybe $1 or $2, might actually go through sometimes.
Why would they do that?
Well, maybe to keep up appearances.
Mm-hmm.
It helps maintain that idea that it's legit,
Yeah.
at least for some people, for a little while.
Ah, okay. So a tiny bit might work.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the moment you try to withdraw something substantial, something that actually reflects the time you've put in,
That's when it gets tricky.
yeah, that's when the review says payouts get delayed or frozen or just flat out denied.
Wow. So, okay, if they're not really focused on paying out significant amounts, where is the app's energy going? The review mentions something else.
Ads and referrals, mostly.
Mm-hmm.
A really heavy push for you to watch more ads
Uh-huh.
and a massive focus on getting you to bring your friends in through the referral system.
So connecting the dots here, it sounds less like a way for us to earn money.
And more like a way for them to get users and ad views.
Exactly. It starts to look more like a user acquisition machine dressed up as a game. The fact that larger payments often fail, that probably isn't an accident. It could be, well, part of the model.
So the real goal is getting more eyeballs and more signups via referrals, not actually paying out significant cash.
That's what the evidence suggests. It means the whole income structure is, frankly, pretty unreliable for the person actually playing.
So we got to be straight with you based on this review. The bottom line is pretty clear.
Yeah.
Is Cash Dream legit?
Technically, you might squeeze out a tiny token payment. Maybe. But the review is very explicit. This is absolutely not a reliable way to earn real money.
No.
If you're looking for genuine income, this app seems like it'll just waste your time. A lot of it.
Precisely. And that's the final recommendation, really.
Yeah.
Treat it purely as, maybe some mindless entertainment if you find the games fun.
But not for cash.
Definitely not for income.
Yeah.
And honestly, think about how many ads you have to sit through just to earn points towards maybe $1.
Yeah.
$1 that the system seems designed not to pay out easily anyway. Protect your time. And probably your personal info, too.
Yeah, that's a huge disconnect, isn't it? The big promise of easy money versus the reality of withdrawal problems and all the focus on ads and referrals. That's the key takeaway.
Right. And, it brings up a bigger question for you, the listener. When you think about the sheer time you have to invest.
All those tasks, all those ads.
Yeah, clicking and watching. How do you actually value that time? What's the real cost of using an app like this? One that seems built mainly to grab your attention and get referrals rather than actually paying out.
Something definitely worth thinking about next time one of those play-to-earn ads pops up.
Definitely.
All right, thanks for digging into this one with us. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.